Using grids and guides. Previously, we came across how to use rulers, and in this lesson we are going to discuss about how to use grids and guides. First, we'll discuss about the definition of grids and guides. When we look into the definition of grids, it helps you to determine the exact position of your text or object. Next, when we look into the definition of guides, it is really just the fact that they are used to align the text or objects on a page. Now, let's see how to use the grids and guides in a presentation. To select this option, go to View menu and choose either Grids or Guides option from the pop-up menu that appears. When we select the Grids option, again a small pop-up menu with 3 options appears, and each performs separate functions. We shall look into that now. If you select the Display Grid option, you can observe grids are displayed on the slide in order to specify the subdivision on the slide, and also to align the text or object. You can also select the Display Grid option from the standard toolbar. Then, choosing Snap to Grid will allow you to move the frames, drawing elements and controls between the grid points. Finally, we have Grid to Front option. Selecting this option will assign the grid in front of all objects. Next, we have the Guides. The same procedure is used to select the guides. Go to the View menu and select the Guides tool under the pop-up menu that appears. Guides I like margins. The moment you select the Guides tool, a small pop-up menu appears with 3 options, namely Display Guides, Snap to Guides and Guides to Front. Next, we shall see their performance in practicality. Selecting Display Guides will allow you to display or hide guides either by dragging the guides into the slide back to its position. Using this option, you can align the objects on a page. Then, if you select Snap to Guides option from the View menu, you can see a vertical and horizontal guide align the objects. Next, if you choose the Guides to Front option from the View menu, you can see a guide is displayed in front of the objects on the slide or page. So, that's it. I hope you've understood about how to use grids and guides options in a slide. Finally, here is another top tip. When positioning the snap guides, it is useful to display the rulers.